Here I have HUAWEI Enjoy 20 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to perform force restart operation on this device in case if you find yourself in a situation when your device is laggy and it don't respond to your actions. And you can do anything about it. What you need is to restart your device, but if it doesn't respond to what your buttons you press, where you touch your screen, what can you do in this situation? You can hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for like 5 seconds, and after that your device will be force restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.